Okay, so I'm sitting there in the car with her, right? She decides she wants to punch me in the face. I'm like, don't put your hands up. You okay?
Sorry.
You good?
It's just allergies. It's just a sneeze. Go ahead.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. So she tried to punch you in the...
Yeah.
Right.
No. Yeah, well, yeah, she punched me, and then she's like, no, forget this, I'm jumping out.
It's these allergies, I'm sorry.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Go ahead.
You good?
Continue.
Okay, so she decides that, whatever, I can survive, opens the door, falls right out the train.
Oh, gosh. That's crazy, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
No, yeah, go ahead.
She jumps out the bus, right?
Well, no bus.
And I look back in the rearview mirror.
Uh-huh.
She's gone. Completely gone. Alright? So I'm thinking there, at this point, that it's like, okay.
Sorry, it's these allergies. I'm sorry. I'll get this under control.
Yeah, well, let's get it under control. Okay, let's get it under control.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Lovey. Go ahead. Okay, so you were looking for this girl.
She didn't start. I get out of the car, right? And there she is.
Yeah.